Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can quietly make an emergency call without any sound on the iPhone 15 series. As you can see right here, when I try to make an emergency call, it makes quite a loud sound. So here is how you can make the emergency call with no sound. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Emergency SOS. Now scroll down and then tap on Call Quietly. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. When this is turned on, and after you make the emergency call, it will not raise any sound. So say here, warning alarms, flashes, and voice over audio will be silenced when using hold and release or 5 button presses to place emergency call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.